So students, welcome to the next part of the same chapter. So in the previous part, as you can able to see, even we discuss about the shape and size of the earth, and along with that we came to know about the globe, and further we discussed down about the different latitudes. Okay, so in this video we are going to understand about the longitudes. So what is included down in the longitude? Firstly, let me show you how the longitudes look like. As you can able to see in the latitudes are the line that is drawn down like this. Okay, but on the contrary, when you look at this diagram, you may check out the line that is going on like this is representing the longitudes. Okay, so today we are going to understand in detail about a longitude or meridians of longitude. Meridian of longitudes are considering as a vertical imaginary line that running down from north pole to south pole. Here you may check out. So this point that is at the above side, this point is depicting down the northern side. So this point is considering the north pole, and here below is the south point, and that is the reason this point is considering down the south pole. Okay, so these are the two poles that are there, and these longitudinal lines moves like this. Okay, so further what is included down in this, they all have the same started point and they move down with 180 meridian to east to 180 meridian to the west. Okay, so this is the way these lines move down, and the length of these lines are relatively same, and these are considering down to be parallel to each other. Okay, so further what is prime meridian? So we came to know about the prime meridian. We are discussing down about meridian. So what is actually the prime meridian is considering as a line that is passing down from the Royal Observatory at Greenwich near the London. So it would be considered as a point of reference at 0 degree longitude. So here that is the line that is being represented down with the red color is known as a prime meridian. How these latitude and longitude further help us? Why we are using these latitude and longitudinal lines? So when you check out these lines are considering down to be the latitude lines, and if I drawn down here the latitude lines and longitude lines are there. So if I drawn down these kind of lines, so they start intersecting each other at the point where they are intersecting each other, from where we came to know about the places that are located down on the earth. The grid that is being formed by both latitude and longitude help us to find out the places that are there on the earth. Here is an example given in your book that Delhi lies on 28 degree 36 to north latitude, and if I talk about and 77 degree 13 minutes and 48 seconds in the east longitude. So here you can able to find out the exact location of the place with the help of these longitudes and the latitude. So further the answer orally extract is given down here. The latitude and longitude forms a network of line known as a grid. Yes, definitely it is completely true. So the next one is there are 90 latitude each in the northern and southern hemisphere. True. So the next one is the Tropic of Cancer is the 23.5 degrees south latitude. Now we, as if you remember, we came to know that the Tropic of Cancer is here, and definitely that does not lies in the south side. So definitely this is considering down by the false. The next one is the torrid zone is the hottest climatic zone. Definitely the torrid is considering down the hottest climatic zone. The next one is the region in the temperate zone are the coldest part of the earth. So definitely that is also the false one. Okay, so further now we are going to understand about longitude and the time. How with the help of longitude we can able to understand the time. In this we will discuss about the locals time, standard time, GMT time, and how we can able to calculate the time. Okay, so the longitudes are accepted mode of measuring time and the longitudinal differences of the place. That is, a local time is there, standard time is there. So before starting that, here is one picture given. Identify this place that is in the picture. So actually students, this is the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London, from where the prime meridian passes down. Okay, so why it is considering down very much important, because it is a point of reference of 0 degree longitude. So further the local time is there. How the local time is determined down, the local time at the place is determined with the reference to the path of the sun in the sky. Okay, so it is 12 noon at a place that faces the sun, and all the places are given a longitudinal and have a same local time. And when the earth rotates from west to east, when the sun rises at a particular place, the area towards the east experiences sunrise, and that is why Raja it is considering down. And we always said in the small classes as well that the sun rises from the east. So definitely the places that are there in the east that receives the sunlight quite faster than the places that are there in the west. Here is an example given that England is to the west of India. So when it is a midday in India, the sun is about to rise in England. So just because it is in the west of India, that is the reason the sun is shown in the England is at a very late timing. Okay, so further the standard time is there. One standard time is also being considered down or specified down there. Okay, so why it is a standard time, IST time is there, like the sun rises in the east is quite older concept, that it first rises in the east. But what happens that how is it possible that the Arunachal Pradesh getting people, the people who are living in the Arunachal Pradesh can able to get up early in the morning? On the contrary, everyone is sleeping down. So just to remove these kind of problematic situations, we assume down one standard time, that is the GMT as well. So this standard time for the country and set with the respective of the Greenwich meridian time, that is representing the GMT. So further what is included down in the GMT, that is Greenwich meridian time, this time is adopted down by whole world and Washington in the Washington Meridian Conference in 1884. So this GMT is kind of a universal time that is emerging down at an international level. 24-hour time zone system was emerged down there, and GMT is named after the Greenwich Village in London, which has well known for their observatory. Okay, so for as we all are aware that the earth is taking down 24 hours to complete down one rotation, and it covers around 360 degree of longitudes as well. So 1 degree of longitude it will take down 24 into 60 over 360, that is 4 minutes. With the help of this we can able to find out the calculation of the local time as well. When you read this, you can able to check out how it is being possible for you to search out or to calculate the time. Okay, so further in the next part the time zones are there. So different time zones are there, so we just have to cross down from them. Until the 100 years ago, local time was used as a set of clock by every country in the world, and since this local time is based on the meridians of the place that is different at the different meridians, so this created difficulty in preparing the timetables for the railways, railways, roadways and airways. Thus in 1884, the International Prime Meridian Conference, it was decided to divide the world into 24 time zones. Okay, so now the world is divided down around 24 time zones, and each time zone is the long strip of running from North Pole to South Pole, and about 15 degree of longitudinal wise was there. So now each country has their own time zone. So similarly in India as well, the time zone is there. So that is the line that is passing down from India is known as Indian Standard Time. So here you check out, when you check out here, you may find out this line that is passing down from India. So this is the line that is Indian Standard Time. Okay, so this line is considering down IST time. So it is passing down most of the country, most of the cities or states from India, and it lies between 75 degree east to 90 degree east, and this is the line that is passing down from there, and it is assumed down 82.5 degree east, and it mainly passes down from Mirzapur, that is near the Allahabad. Okay, and it when we follow down the GMT time, that is being followed down by the whole country. So Indian Standard Time is considering down plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. That is the reason we write down our time as plus 5 hours and 30 minutes, because it is quite ahead from the GMT time that is being described down there. So this is all about the Indian Standard Time. The further the Indian Standard calendar is there, international date line is there. So how international date line is considering down, as it is also being an imaginary line that is there, that is running down on the earth's surface from North Pole to South Pole, and it mainly passes down from the middle of Pacific Ocean and following around 180 longitudes. Okay, so this international date line is a one calendar day from the next, and the travel crossing from this eastward will lose a day or 24 hours, and a traveler crossing ideal westward will definitely save a day, that is there 24 hours. So definitely the date line also varies down, the timeline also varies down. So students, further here is one extract that is given down. Let's explore that what is included down there. The prime meridian is known as a Greenwich meridian. Definitely that is completely right. So another one is the day and the date do not change at the ideal. So false is there. The prime meridian and 180 degree longitude divide the earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Definitely true. Each longitude had its own local time. So false is this. So further, IST is ahead of GMT by 4 hours. So definitely that is also false. So hope you are clear with the chapter, that whatsoever we discussed down in this chapter. So now what you have to do after watching down the video carefully, you have to revise the chapter from your book, read the chapter from your book, and after reading the chapter, try to attempt this question that are given in the ending of your chapter by yourself without the help of any other person. Try to attempt this by yourself. Okay.